Hi guys, it's me, your girl here again, Mrs. Sherifatu Bakare Joe. Yeah, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for watching my videos and thank you for subscribing. I also want to say a very big thank you for sharing my videos. You guys are so lovely. Thank you so much. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make French baguettes. Come with me, let's get baking. Here are the ingredients you will need to make your French baguettes. Yeah, I have 1 kilogram of flour, 40 grams of flour improver. It improves your dough and it makes your bread more crunchy. Here I have 600 grams of water, 40 grams of fresh yeast, and 15 grams salt. Very simple ingredients. Your yeast, so guys, now we're going to knead this dough in total of 7 minutes. The first 2 minutes on a low speed and the other 5 minutes on a high speed. So guys, our dough is ready. Yeah guys, this dough don't have to be very thick. Now you can see I placed a towel here, a clean towel. We're going to put this dough on the towel because we want to try and work with as little flour as possible. We don't need much flour. I'm going to put this on a clean towel and then we'll leave it to rest for 15 minutes. Yeah, don't mind if it's sticky. So guys, our dough is ready after 15 minutes. Now we'll just take it off the towel. You can see it's very soft. This is how it's supposed to be. So don't mind if you think, oh, it's too soft. No, that's how it's supposed to be. So we'll just take it off the towel and we'll knead it again later. Place it here. Now we're going to cut out our dough. 250 grams each. 250. Yeah, perfect. Okay guys, after cutting out our dough, now we're going to make a ball. Because it's sticky, that's how it's supposed to be, guys. Don't add flour to it, please. Unlike my other videos with the bread, you have to press, but with this, just slightly turn around like this and make a little ball. Now put it back on the towel so it don't get sticky. That's why I'm using all the time the dough cutter. It helps me take it like this. After making a ball, we're going to leave this to rest again for 20 minutes. So guys, our dough is ready. Now we're going to shape our baguettes. Here I have my already structured baguette tray. If you don't have this, guys, I'm going to try something. This is my first time of trying that though. I haven't tried it before, but I think it's going to work. With your parchment on your tray, first I'll spray this with my baking spray. Lightly sprayed with a baking spray. I'll put it aside. And then we'll start with our shaping. Now we need just a little bit of flour on your work surface. Take one and then you just press. And now we have this. So here is what we're going to do. We are rolling from the middle. Make sure you continue rolling, otherwise it starts sticky to your work surface. So you continue rolling until you get a nice long shape that fits your tray. Yeah, Yeah, you see how stretchy it is. That's how it's supposed to be. No much flour. You don't need too much. So I'll see the size of my tray first. Okay, I think I've just gotten to the length of my tray. So it's a little long. Normally it should be long, but this is the length I could get online. So if you get a longer one, that's fine. I'll just make it fit in. I have to see the length. You don't need it to be too long because of the length of my tray. And make sure you see where the lines are. It has to be under as well. In case you don't have that other one, you can as well do it this way. But of course, you know, the other tray will give it more nicer shape and look. But let's see the outcome of this. We'll give it like this, and then we'll do the other one. So guys, you can see our baguettes, and with this, you see what I did. I just put in a parchment and you raise to leave a space. It has to be like this to give it that nice shape of a baguette. So this one is a small one, so you see it's not up to 250 grams. So we're going to leave this to rise for 50 to 70 minutes. In the meantime, you preheat your oven 230 degrees. Normally, the French baguette, you make it overnight because there's some certain temperature it has to be. But this is a quick recipe. Like you all know, in my channel, I give you the quickest recipe. Alright guys, so you can see our baguette is fully risen and so nice. This one, it's not looking bad neither. I'm just going to give my dough a slight cut that makes it look beautiful after baking. Now I take my dough cutter just from the sides, just give a good cut like this. 1, 2, 3 and 4. You don't need much. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Alright guys, now we're going to bake this 20 minutes and you're going to steam your oven as well. So we'll put this and bake for 20 minutes. So guys, our baguette is ready. You see how nice it baked? Whoa, this looks good. Wow. Yeah, the crust. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. And if you're new here, you've not subscribed guys, please click the subscribe button and don't forget to click the notification button because I make videos every Friday. See you in my next video. Bye bye.